Yeah. Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Love you guys. Bye. During me to bed for me. To check a board. So I don't go rolling out of bed. Ah, good. I will take it. Sorry, I've got my mic on. I'm trying to get out of the rain. And the yard is way over here. Way over that way. Fence, cane cardboard. All right. Good. Shower's gonna start up. I have a full belly. They have an Arby's over there, so that's $7.99. Next size one. Okay, that's it. Home sweet home. All my valuables. Got my sleeping bag, cushion. I'm up here. Yeah.
So I was like, oh, I could buy some. Cindy it had the condoms locked up. I laughed. I was like, well, those.
First, get the milk, like that. Prepare the, is it the Niashi? Naoshi? No, that's the Naoshi. I forgot all. So 200 ml for two. And this is the chasen for two. I put it on this to tear. And then we take this and a little bit organized. We pour to about just below 10. Not much more to get to 6 grams. We're at 6.23 grams now. Then like that, like that. Tear, we whisk. You need time, about 45 seconds. And this, 87. That's 88, 89. Good enough. Filming for the first time using my Insta360 Go Ultra. See how the mic sounds? Good stuff. This is Amazon Prime Day purchases. This is a screen for the basement, window screen. This is a K&F Concept magic arm clamps. Or who invented these? It's probably some man who has lost out on a lot of patents from infringements. I noticed numerous people on AliExpress and Amazon. So basically what it is these locking screw tight. As you can see, it becomes extremely loose once you do that. But then when you lock them down, they will hold 50 pounds or more. This is like a GoPro mount here. It has the 1/4 inch mounts right there. Spring clipped phone mount. This is the critical component. As you can see, this is the part that clamps to shelves or tables or whatever. This basically, and then you can get it as tight as you want. You can use a wrench to get it tighter. Part rotates. For this particular one, bought it because I want to mount it, okay, to this unboxing. I got the Inaloops Pros. These I'm gonna stow for now. I'm gonna use these Duracells that I already have. They're being personal. So this is what they're for. Peltor Sport Tactical ear muff. These don't come with. So these are 3M Minnesota made tactical clear voice transmission, dynamic suppression, 25 NRR with Bluetooth connectable for mobile devices, phones, etc. Outstanding earmuffs for shooting protection, for protection from machinery. Unboxing for this Amazon Day. This is a magnetic clip, but this device is very well image stabilized, high resolution 4K feeds. That I can view on this. It plugs in just like that and becomes basically like a little Ace Pro, kind of like this unit right here. I believe this is going to replace my DJI Osmo Action 5, which has accompanied me to Europe, to Japan. Very compact, as you can see, but a bit bigger. Go Ultra offers me flip screen. I can clip this thing onto mounts like this neck mount. It's magnetic, as long as you get it into the hole right there. Very secure. So I could do this for walking. But what I really plan on using is the magnetic neck strap, and I've purchased a series of accessories. MagTech charging base. A bit thick. It's about the thickness of that. But of course, it's much less thicker than this. It will attach to the neck lanyard and allow me to continuously charge. The secure magnetic click mounts, and it's got USB-C feed into it, a cold shoe mount, and a 1/4 inch mount. So I could put that on a tripod tip, a selfie stick tip, and it looks like it's magnetic at the back, as you can see there, so that it can fit on the neck lanyard steel as well, under a t-shirt, and it would allow continuous charging to overcome the 45-minute recording flaw of the Go Ultra. I made the mistake of buying the tantalizing Go Ultra FOMO power kit right here. It was on a little bit of a sale, 10% sale, $89, so that comes out to, at least in my area, about $95 with tax. As you can immediately see the huge problem with this. It's white, ridiculous. So even if you have the white Go Ultra, that thing would be jarringly conspicuous to anyone. So who would want a white dongle like that? A white neck lanyard hanging off your chest. It could be that maybe in China, where it was possibly designed, or Hong Kong, it is required, it is mandatory to be conspicuous to avoid spying charges. So one problem, it is overly conspicuous, clumsy looking. If this were black and you wore it over a black shirt, maybe it's less conspicuous. I guess if you wore this over a white shirt, like a white t-shirt, maybe less conspicuous. But in any case, it has a flow-through USB charge. You can see that tip at the far end. You can plug another USB-C cable and a battery bank, continuously feed into this 4800 milliamp battery. So this thing supposedly will power this Go Ultra for 4 hours. And this base, this charging base, which is white also, has airflow design. So it looks like it's very comfortable. You can see there, it's got these air channels for heat dissipation. So if it were black, it would be more acceptable. But because it's white, I'm going to return it. The base part is called the Flexi mount. There are better solutions from other third-party members, even cheaper. Like I said, I got this one, charging base. So I think I'm going to return that FOMO thing. I think I'll return that because that thing is clunky. Because with a USB-C cable, I can just attach this to the front of my t-shirt, run a cable from here to my side, my pocket, my pants, or my shirt pocket, and have a battery bank in there when needed. Only $20, Prime Day special. Couldn't resist it. This one, so I got these little things here. Comes with like that. It attaches to these things. It's just one directional. It's unidirectionally attached. Attaches to these. So like that. Then I can mount this tripod. Also sits more firmly on the desk. This one, like that VRG. This was only $9. And this is the cheapest one I could find that mounts to the Go Ultra. These are $18 and has a charging USB-C charging thing. So I bought one of those. And then I bought these filter kit. Look at that price. $23.79 Prime Day deal. So this setup gives me a circular polarizer, a neutral density 8, neutral density 32, and a neutral density 64. So the neutral density filters would be for extremely sunny days outside where I want to slow the shutter speed to get that nice smooth water blur and fountains and rivers and things like that. Really a niche use. The main value of this filter kit will be the circular polarizer for seeing through ponds and rivers to see fishes and whatever, but probably won't use it much. But for $24, that's like $6 per filter. Last thing I bought for the Go Ultra was this set from Insta360 directly. It says 90-day low price. So this comes with 4 lenses, macro lenses, a 38 centimeter, which is 15 inches, double this. So it would be just like that. Minimum shooting distance is 30 centimeters, 12 inches. So these two are useful. The 21.5 and the 38 will not be that useful. In fact, all I needed was the 5 centimeter and the 11.6 centimeter. Consuming massively. Massive consumption. Yeah, the FOMO kit, this thing right here, I think I'll turn in. Let's turn this thing in. So that's the battery life, 35 minutes and 46 seconds indoors. I'm charging. So the base unit is at 96%, but the Go Ultra mini unit is 9%. I'll go ahead and turn this one off now.